This is a mom, a musician, and a mom. Whoever says that there's nothing to do
are not looking.
So first thing, let's talk local events. Last year, Harold's Haunted Cornfield closed. This year, a new one opened, actually. It is Hammer Brothers Haunted Circus.
Oh, my.
And I know you're scared of clowns.
Well, I mean, clowns are fine, but then you get the haunted part. I don't know.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right.
It'll be fun, though.
It's out in Waynesfield as well, so it's kind of... Up next is what blew our mind this weekend. What blew my mind is I was actually in Myrtle Beach, and I actually checked two sites the entire time. I checked Penny Pinch Mom.
You had a beach. I'm sorry.
I went to Myrtle Beach. So I got a little bit of color, a little bit of tan. You didn't want to see some of my tans.
Tan lines?
Yeah, I might have worn the wrong bathing suit. Anyway, that doesn't matter. There was two websites that I checked the entire time. I have like two triangles somewhere, I'm not telling you. Penny Pinching Mom on Facebook. Amazing. Okay.
I've heard of that.
She posts amazing deals, money-saving coupons, like daily, every like couple hours. It is something new that really you need to know. Recipes, cheats for your kids and your family. It's kind of amazing. I also checked Tanga.com. Ended up getting like 20 artist brushes for under $10.
Every girl needs that.
And that was waiting for me here when I came home. What blew your mind this week?
My mind was blown, as always. It always is with something. That we're all busy. We're always on the go.
My friends right now are like, that's so true.
Yeah, like, this is the first time, in a month maybe we've seen each other.
Oh, yeah.
And it's just constant.
It's even worse to try to make time for your kids.
Right.
I mean, because they have all those activities, everything like that. How do you connect with your kids?
Right. So my son, 9 years old, since he was a little wee baby, was that I put him to bed. Spend quality time. Not just put them to bed.
I was like, put him to bed. Everybody puts their kids to bed.
Spend quality time. Take 10 minutes. 10 minutes out of your day. You can do that.
I like it.
That you can talk about your day, how your day was, what's going on, this, that, what activity they're going to be in.
Oh, yeah.
Sports.
Pray with him.
Yeah, my life is football right now. Football.
So many parents are like, oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah. There's some sport. But, yeah, just either talk about your day. We pray together, and then I also pray over him for the next day. So he has just an amazing day.
That's really sweet. That's a good little mom. So the last thing we're actually getting to is what's happening this weekend. This is kind of your weekender report. For Friday, by the way, if you haven't had a chance to check out Encore Theater, go to amiltellers.org. There's actually a show this weekend called Inherit the Wind. By the way, Amil is Lima backwards, so it's AMIL tellers.org. You can get your tickets online. Actually, their online process is super streamlined, and it's really nice. I freaking love it. It's actually how I get my tickets every time now.
Cool.
Check that out. That starts at 8 p.m. most nights. They have all the ticket pricing on there, so check it out. And then, of course, I'm going to be at Hippie Stock all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't gotten your tickets for that, you can actually check out the Facebook page, Hippie Stock Festival. Check it out. You can come hear me Friday night. I'm playing for the VIP crowd and for the vendors who are camping Friday night and Saturday night, but I'm just playing Friday night. But you'll see me whizzing around on Saturday. What are you going to this weekend?
I probably will be going to a Lego Lab. Yeah, Lego Lab.
Here in Lima?
Here in Lima. At the Lima Public Library. So bring your imagination. It's free to the public.
Can adults come too?
Of course. Legos are for all ages. All ages.
Wait, they can't come! Oh, that sucks. Okay.
Exactly.
That makes me mad.
And then there's Laurel Oaks Hobby and Harvest Fest. It's always the third Saturday in September. A great day of shopping and fun. It says that there's going to be 100 crafters. And games for the kids. The admission is $1. $1.
That's a cheap day of fun.
Yeah. And kids 10 and under are free.
Okay. That's probably good that you're picking the kid-friendly events because mine isn't that kid-friendly.
No.
You have to be 18 and over for Hippie Stock, so. But, you know, if you need some adult fun, and then you can go do your kid fun.
Yeah.
Also, Saturday, by the way, if you aren't hanging with me all day Saturday, there's the Murder Mystery Dinner that is actually happening downtown Lima. Now, downtown Lima has all these cool events going on. You need to check them out for ticket pricing. Cool events, go to www.downtownlimaohio.com. Last but not least, I had Sunday, you can actually This blows my mind. I did not know this was happening. Riding the Rails train excursion. It's a 3-hour train ride you can take from Lima to Quincy Bridge.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now you can get ticket pricing and everything.
I might hop on that train.
I'm still going to be a hippie fest.
Well, I might hop on that.
You might have to, actually. Mm-hmm. But you can go to AllenCountyMuseum.org to get tickets for that. And then you had one more thing that you were going to hit this weekend.
The Canal Days are happening
all
weekend. Starting Friday at 4 and then goes on till midnight. And then Saturday it's 10 to midnight.
So, this is crazy. We just picked like 6-7 events out of 2025 that we have. So, what we need from you is give us some feedback. Mm-hmm. What do you think? What did you like? What did you not like? And so, let us know in the comments what you think. And while you're at it, subscribe. So, if you really want to know what's going on every weekend, subscribe. I'm Amber Rose. This is Aubrey Kathleen.
And we are a mom,
a musician, and a Mike. Peace!